I'm good, I'm good. Okay, this is Billy flying his 120.
In the wind.
In the wind, got about 7-8 mile an hour wind.
More than that.
More than that, he says, and he's the pilot. Okay, a little pirouette for the audience, please. Oh, sweet.
They're in the wind, man.
Sweet. This is a 120 SR, and she's a flying machine. Graceful, balanced, perfection in the air. How cool is that?
Woo. That wind's really kicking her around. It's fun, man.
She's fighting the wind, but she's staying steady.
Woohoo! That was full forward elevator.
Full forward elevator.
Gotta land.
Gotta land, gotta land. Gotta land her. Up, wind's gonna get her. Up, nope, she's fighting it. Survival mode.